Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another iPhone video. And recently I actually picked up the iPhone XR, this one right here, and I'm pretty new to it, so I'm not sure exactly all of its specifications and how it works and what's so great about it, but I am loving it from what I do know so far about it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, and I'm also going to show you some cases that I've been using, and I have coupon codes for you guys, so just stay tuned, and I'm just about to show you guys. Okay, so I'm quickly going to remind you, I have the iPhone XR, but that doesn't mean you won't be able to find a case that you will find that will be able to work for your phone. They have stuff for Samsung, other iPhones, pretty much anything. You just have to look hard enough to see if possibly they have something for you guys. So don't let that discourage you, being that I have an iPhone XR, because there's a good possibility you have something as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the two cases that came from Etsy, and some owners from Etsy were nice enough to send this to me. Okay guys, so we're going to start with this floral one right here, since it's going to be spring soon, and I mean honestly everybody's going to want something that's going to look cute and it's going to kind of show off your personality. So what's better than having some peonies on your actual phone case? And let me show you, this one is clear. So if you happen to have an iPhone, it is perfect for showing off this part. You know, if you don't have anything like that, it's, you know, most phones have a really pretty backing, and that's pretty much, you know, how it goes. I think this would look great on any phone, but yeah, for the iPhone, this is perfect. So I will tell you, this phone case comes from Amazing Rare Designs, and Andrew from that company was nice enough to send this to me. But yeah, they come from Ukraine, and they have some awesome different designs for pretty much anything. You just have to search, you know, hard enough for it, and you probably won't have a hard time finding what you want. So this one is from Alpha Distributors, and they are out of North Dakota. It is a handmade item, and they're made to order. They're very affordable, and I was very impressed by their selection and just how the entire website is designed and laid out. It's a very nice combination that makes it easy to shop. But yeah, they are giving me a coupon code for Amber20, and that will give you 20% off if you decide to get anything from them. So I'll give you a little bit closer look at this particular case. I'm very pleased with this one, and I've had a lot of cases, and I have to say this one's very impressive. I've never had a wifey case before, which is something different and something I'm really liking to add to my collection. But yeah, this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's very simplistic and, you know, just easy to look at. So in the description box, I'm going to leave some information about the last company and then this one as well, and you will see written out the actual coupon code. I'll also list all the links to where you guys can find them and, you know, search to see what you want. I'm very happy with this one, and they offer custom orders, so if you don't see anything you like that's already laid out already for you guys, you can definitely kind of hit them up and see, hey, would this work? And most likely it probably would, but yeah, that's another option. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. I will talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. And as always, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, bye.